Most families looking at mid-size SUVs see the Toyota Highlander as a safe, practical choice. It carries the brand's reputation for reliability, decent fuel economy, and strong resale. But very few prospective buyers pause to consider the full, real-world costs of owning one in the United States over multiple years. This isn't about a quick weekend test drive or the initial sticker price. This is about true ownership, with fuel, insurance, maintenance, technology, depreciation, and daily usability all accounted for. And it's especially critical for families balancing budgets, commuting needs, and long-term reliability. The Highlander comes in multiple trims: LE, XLE, Limited, and Platinum. Base LE pricing in 2026 starts at roughly $38,000 for gas and $41,000 for hybrid. The XLE adds tech and comfort features, bringing real-world transaction prices to $42,000 to $46,000 for gas and $45,500 to $50,000 for hybrid. Limited trims range $50,000 to $53,000 for gas and $52,000 to $55,000 for hybrid, adding leather, panoramic sunroof, and advanced driver assistance systems. The Platinum trim, the flagship, can reach $55,000 to $58,000 for gas and $57,000 to $60,000 for hybrid. And once dealer add-ons and premium packages are included, a California buyer might easily hit $62,000. These numbers matter. Every subsequent cost, insurance, fuel, maintenance, is tied to actual purchase price, not base MSRP. Fuel is often underestimated, especially for gas models. In Texas, gas XLE owners average $1,500 to $1,800 per year, assuming 12,000 miles of driving, while hybrid XLE trims save roughly $500 to $700 annually, thanks to city regenerative braking. California gas owners face $2,000 to $2,200 annually, while hybrid owners save $600 to $900 per year. A Houston family with a hybrid XLE driving 14,000 miles annually reported $750 in fuel savings in the first year. But they also noticed a 2 to 3% efficiency degradation over time as the battery conditioned and environmental heat cycles affected performance. In New York, dense city traffic reduces gas XLE trims to 18 to 19 mpg, while hybrid owners report 22 to 23 mpg combined versus EPA-rated 25 mpg, illustrating regional differences in ownership costs. Highlanders are generally reliable, but every SUV incurs costs. During warranty, gas LE and XLE trims average $800 to $1,100 per year. Limited and Platinum can reach $1,500 annually due to premium brake pads, adaptive suspension checks, and multi-zone climate maintenance. Hybrid models add inverter and battery monitoring, typically $200 to $400 annually under routine diagnostics. Post-warranty, costs increase. An LA owner replaced an inverter at 72,000 miles for $2,300, while a Dallas Limited gas trim replaced air conditioning components for $1,100. Highlanders are generally reliable, but every SUV incurs costs. During warranty, gas LE and XLE trims average $800 to $1,100 per year. Limited and Platinum can reach $1,500 annually due to premium brake pads, adaptive suspension checks, and multi-zone climate maintenance. Hybrid models add inverter and battery monitoring, typically $200 to $400 annually under routine diagnostics. Post-warranty, costs increase. An LA owner replaced an inverter at 72,000 miles for $2,300, while a Dallas Limited gas trim replaced air conditioning components for $1,100 at 68,000 miles. Tires, LE and XLE 18-inch, last 40,000 miles. Platinum 20-inch may need replacement at 30,000 miles, $450 to $550 per tire. Brakes, especially on Platinum with adaptive cruise and regenerative braking, wear faster and cost $450 to $700 per axle, sometimes more if sensors need recalibration. Owners consistently say routine maintenance is predictable, but costs scale sharply with trim and options. Insurance is another overlooked factor. California Platinum Hybrid, $2,100 to $2,300 annually. NY Limited Hybrid, $2,500 per year. Texas Platinum Hybrid, $2,000 to $2,100. A Miami family with gas XLE experienced a $2,800 repair after a 25-mile-per-hour collision, and premiums increased $320 annually. Trim, packages, and regional driving patterns directly affect premiums, and every dollar matters for long-term ownership. Hybrids save on city fuel but introduce new costs. Lithium-ion batteries have a 10 to 12-year expected life. Replacement out-of-pocket costs can reach $4,000 to $6,000 if warranty lapses. Inverters may need service at 70,000 to 90,000 miles, costing $2,000 to $2,500. Gas trims avoid battery replacements but pay more in fuel over time, especially in stop-and-go traffic. A Sacramento family reported $900 fuel savings per year on a hybrid Platinum, offsetting mid-level maintenance by year 4. 3-year depreciation. Gas XLE, $38,000 to approximately $28,500. Hybrid XLE, $42,500 to approximately $31,500. Gas Platinum, $53,000 to approximately $38,500. Hybrid Platinum, $55,000 to approximately $40,500. 5-year resale. Gas XLE, approximately $24,000. Hybrid XLE, approximately $28,000. Platinum trims drop proportionally. Certified pre-owned Highlanders offer extended warranties and lower risk of unexpected repairs. A Houston family bought a 3-year-old Hybrid Limited CPO for $34,000, avoiding $3,000 in early inverter service. Trim-specific options, leather, tech packages, and panoramic roofs affect depreciation proportionally. XLE, 8 to 9-inch touchscreen. Limited, 12.3-inch touchscreen. Platinum, rear seat entertainment, $1,200 to $1,500 optional. ADAS, lane assist, adaptive cruise, pre-collision sensors. Repairs, sensors $400 to $800 each. Camera recalibration, $750 to $1,200. NYC owner, minor fender bender required camera recalibration, $750 out of pocket. Hybrid software updates, $100 to $200 for diagnostics. Technology is a double-edged sword, enhances driving experience but adds financial complexity post-warranty. Highlander earns IIHS Top Safety Pick Plus and NHTSA 5-star ratings consistently. Frontal collisions, cabin survival high, airbags deploy reliably. Side collisions, side curtain airbags protect all 3 rows. Minor repairs, $2,500 to $3,500. Rollover, roof integrity excellent. Repairs, $5,000 plus if sensors or glass damaged. Atlanta anecdote. Limited hybrid rear-ended at 35 miles per hour. No injuries, airbags deployed, repairs $6,000, insurance increased $450 per year. Safety doesn't eliminate costs, but it protects lives.
Third row, 2 adults short-term, kids long-term. Cargo, 16.0 cubic feet behind third row, 48.4 cubic feet with row folded. Parking, tight garages require attention. Platinum 360-degree camera helps. Ride quality, smooth. Hybrid slightly softer. San Diego family anecdote. City parking manageable, but narrow garages still require caution. Urban commuting, tight but Highlander adapts. Highway, smooth and confident.
Texas hybrid owner, 14,000 miles a year, saved $750 fuel in year 1. LA hybrid, inverter replacement at 72,000 miles, $2,300. Dallas gas limited, AC repair at 68,000 miles, $1,100. NYC hybrid, minor camera recalibration, $750. Houston family, 3-year-old CPO hybrid limited, $34,000. Avoided $3,000 early repair. These examples ground numbers in real U.S. experiences, giving viewers actionable insights. Families. The Highlander is practical only when you understand the full costs. Gas versus hybrid both have pros and cons. Location, trim, mileage, and lifestyle dictate ownership reality. Plan for fuel, insurance, tires, brakes, battery, inverter, and tech repairs. Consider CPO for value and extended warranty. Watch Real MPD, adjust fuel budgeting regionally. The Highlander isn't just a mid-size SUV, it's a financial and lifestyle decision. Make it with knowledge. Make it with planning. Avoid surprises, save thousands, protect your family. This is Drive Sense. Real costs, real ownership, real decisions.